Okay, from the previous video, we have seen this the output of this program. Okay, so another way we can also do some modification to this program. Okay, so this program is to determine whether a number entered is greater than 0, less than 0, or equal to 0. Okay, so we can put it in this way: if, else if, else if. Okay, and then we put expression after if. Okay, greater than 0, less than 0, or equal to 0. Okay, another way to do this coding, we can just put it in this way: if, else if, else. Okay, meaning that we have three conditions, right? Either the number is greater than 0, less than 0, or equal to 0. So we just can put it in this way: if number greater than 0, this number is greater than 0. Else if number less than 0, this number is less than 0. And then we just can put else. Okay, because else refers to the condition other than the stated above: number greater than 0 and number less than 0. So no more we just have one option: if not greater than 0, if not less than 0, of course equal to 0. So we just can put else, no other condition, okay, other than equal to 0. Okay, so we can see the effect. Okay, still the same. Okay, greater than 0, okay, less than 0, and also equal to 0. Okay, we still can have the same output. Okay, so in our previous video also, I have told you that in certain situation we can see the difference if we put if, else, or if we put if. Okay, let's say I put it in this way: if. Okay, back to the previous one. And then let's say this program not only to determine whether the number is equal to 0, less than 0, or greater than 0, but I want to show whether I want to determine whether the number is odd or even. Okay, so how to determine what kind of expression that we can use to determine the number is odd or even? We can use modulus. Okay, if number modulus 2 equal to 0, okay, we can say that it is even number. Okay, so let's see this the output for this program. Okay, let's compile. Okay, let's say I put 44. So this number is greater than 0. This is even number. Okay, so let's make it proper. So let's put ENDL to make it better output. Okay, 44. This is greater than 0. This way. Okay. Okay, this number is greater than 0. This is even number. Okay, so let's say I change this to if, else, if. Because in our previous lecture, I mentioned to you that compared to if, else if is provides a better, can provide efficiency in the running program, because once the condition is true, the compiler will no longer check for the following statement. Okay, so let's see what happen if I put it in this way. Okay, I put instead of I put if, I put it in this way: if, else if, else if, else if. Okay, then we try to compile again and then run using the same input 44. Okay, now you can see that this number is greater than 0. Only the output, only this output will be displayed. This number is greater than 0. Okay, this is why, because when you enter 44, the compiler will check, okay, the number 44 greater than 0, so the number is greater than 0. It will no longer go into else another or the following else if. Okay, so all these three else if will be skipped by the compiler, and then it will go direct to this one, thank you. That's why only this number is greater than 0 will be displayed, and thank you for 44. Okay, so compared to the previous one, if I use if, okay, if I use if, okay, okay, let's run again, try to see again. Okay, 44, this number is greater than 0, this is even number, and thank you. We have one more sentence here. This is even number. Okay, why? Because if you change this coding into if, okay, when the user give input 44, the compiler will check 44 greater than 0. Okay, this number is, it will go to the next line. This number is greater than 0. Okay, then it will still go into the next if. Check again. Number 44 less than 0? Okay, no, false. So skip. Even just now, the compiler found already 44 greater than 0, but still it will go to the following if. These three following if. Then next if. Num 44 greater equal to 0. No, false. Skip again and then go to the last if. Okay, 44 modulus 2 equal to 0. So that's why for this coding, if we use if, it will still go and check for the number whether even or odd. Okay, so now we can see in certain cases whether we use if or if else if will make will show difference in output. Okay.